Today we will install MySQL DB. Okay, let's start. Launch instance. Give the name of the instance MySQL DB and select the AMI here. I am selecting AMI as second one, Amazon Linux 2. Okay, next create new key pair. Key pair name MyDB key, MyDB key. Okay, click on create key pair. Okay, next launch instance. Okay, next view all instances. So this is the instance. Okay, take the public IP, go to mobile XMX software, sessions, SSH, public key, and Amazon Linux is EC2 -user. Next, click on advanced SSH settings, use private key, mydb key.pem. Okay, click on OK. Okay, click on accept. Okay, fine. Go to the document here. Now I'm install MySQL server, MySQL package on Amazon Linux. Okay, let's start with the commands. We need to add the repository first. Okay, copy here this one. Y, done. Next one, copy, paste. See, public key RPM is not installed. Okay, failing package. Okay, GPG keys are configured. Okay, let me, when you're getting this error now, you need to add the latest GPG key. I have downloaded already. Copy this one, latest GPG key. Okay, enter. After that, once again run the MySQL community server. Sudo yum install MySQL community server. Enter. See, now it will install all the three dependencies. Installation successful. Here, see, install. All the three dependents are installed. Okay, completed. Next, we need to start the service, MySQL service. So if I execute this status command, no, sudo systemctl status MySQL D, we need to check the service, whether service is running or not. So here see service is inactive, dead. Okay, we need to start the service. So run the start the service. Which service? MySQL D. Okay, enter. Okay, now check the status once again. Now the MySQL server is running. Okay, so MySQL is running right now. Okay, then you need to copy this one and run it. Whenever your Linux system is rebooted, that time it will automatically start the MySQL DB. So, okay, so we have started the service. Next is like we need to see if you have installed MySQL server, then you can find out the MySQL root user password using the below command. So execute the below command to get the temporary password. Okay, it will get the temporary password. This is the temporary password for the root user. Let's try to log in. Okay, copy, so you do this one, copy this one, this password, and go to here. Don't give any space, just after P you need to paste the password. Okay, copy this one and run it. MySQL. Okay, what is the password? See, connected. Okay, so you need to give the execute that command. After that you need to provide the password. It will ask you for the password. Okay, then you need to provide the password. Okay, see, now you connect to the MySQL DB. After connecting to the MySQL, you need to change the root password, right? So give this command, set password, execute this query. I am setting the new password for the root user. Set password. Okay, query okay, 0 rows affected, one warning. So this query executed successfully. Copy and paste. Okay, next, this is the setup. We did the MySQL DB installation. Next one is like create database name. So I want to create one database name. I want to create one database name. Okay, I want to give some organization, TCS. Suppose create database TCS. Okay, I want to see my database is created or not. The command is use database name. Database name is what? TCS, right? Show databases we have to go first. Show databases. It will display all the databases. See, there are how many databases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 databases are there. I created one database, that is TCS. I want to use TCS database right now. The command is use database name. Use database name is what? TCS. See, right now database is changed to TCS. Now I want to create one table in TCS database. I have one. So create is a command for creating the table. I want to create one table called employees. This is the employees table I want to create. Okay, ID, first name, last name, email, ID, salary. Okay, let's create one table called employees. Copy. Enter. So table is created right now. Okay. So after creating the table, what we have to do? We have to insert some records. I have some table records to insert into the employee table. See here, the syntax is insert into employees. Now what are the fields I am giving? First name, last name, email, hire date, salary. These are the values for the above columns. So the first name is John, the last name is Doe. What is the email ID? john.doe email.com. This is the hire date and this is the salary. So I'm inserting total how many records? This is 1 2 3 4. Let's insert the records into the table employees. Copy this one, go to the database and insert. Okay, enter. So all the records are inserted right now. Okay, so we need to check all the records are inserted or not. So after giving the insert command, you need to give the commit to store all the records in the employee table. Okay, now we will check whether all the records are inserted into the employee table or not. The command to display the records is select star from employees. So employees is the table name we created, right? So in this table only we have inserted all the records. Now we will check whether all the records are inserted into the employee table or not. Select star from employees. Copy and execute the command. See, in our employees table we have inserted 4 records. So in this video what we learned, we have installed MySQL DB and we have created one database TCS, and for database TCS we have inserted one table. We have created one table called employees. In the employees table we have inserted all the records. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.